Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Flora, and today, as you guys can see from today's video title, I'm going to pack for my trip. I'm going to Marrakech, Morocco. I'm so excited. I actually booked the trip like a little bit more than 3 weeks ago. I'm going in 5 days. I'm so excited. As you guys know, I always pack like 2 or 1 week before my trip, but I've been really busy, so kind of like a last minute packing video. I don't understand people who pack like the day before their trip or on the day. I could never. I always make a list, but I think I still forgot something. But I always plan my outfit, my makeup looks, everything. But now let's start packing. I actually laid everything in front of me. I'm not going to pack my suitcase on my bed because I don't want to put my dirty suitcase on my bed, but I just laid everything on my bed and I'm going to show you guys by categories what I'm going to bring. So the first thing is clothes. The first thing I got is this dress from Weekday. This is one of my outfits I'm going to, should I say it? No, you guys should subscribe and watch the videos, the vlogs, because I'm going to vlog everything, every single minute. Obviously, because we're going to Morocco, I have to wear some conservative clothes. Actually, I have mainly really mini skirts and shorts, which I can't bring, obviously. So I have to go shopping and buy a few new clothes. So this is the first dress that I got. It's so pretty, I love the colour. I'm going to go hiking and explore the outdoorsy activities. So I got my gym shorts. I'm actually going to go to the gym as well there. And also this top. I love the back as well. Just like the more conservative top that I got, which is like not a sports bra but still good. I'm going to wear the t-shirt with it. Next, I also got just a classic black bikini top and 2 bikini bottoms. I don't own any swimsuit, so we have to work with that. Over here in front of me, I don't know if you guys can see it from the bag, but I got a towel, just boring stuff, my makeup, let's see, a few socks. I need to buy more socks because I can't find the pairs of my other socks, and obviously I'm not going to show my underwears and stuff, but I got a new perfume from Kayali. This one is called Marrakech in a bottle, so I had to get it because I'm going to Marrakech. It can be a fun thing to collect all of them and bring it on my trip because they have Maldives, Capri, I don't know the other ones, but it smells amazing. By the way, if you guys didn't know, I always buy new perfume and new pyjamas on my holidays. It's a tradition that I do. I don't know why, but I love buying new perfumes and things for my new holidays. Just show you some main skincare and makeups. These are like the Mediheal like toner pads. These are like packed so you can travel with them. I got the big size as well, but I can't bring those. Some eyeshadow, lipsticks. Oh, I can't decide. I got this Karl Lagerfeld lipstick. I love the shade, but I got it a few years ago. I don't know if it's still good, but definitely going to take my Kosas lip oil. Love it. I'm thinking between Charlotte Tilbury or my Dior lipstick. I don't know yet. I think I'm going to bring my Charlotte Tilbury and a lip oil from Gizu. I have the strawberry one and this coconut one. This one is clear, so it really goes well with, let's see, I don't know where they are. I have my makeups here. It goes well with these lip liners. This one is from Huda Beauty. This one is from Karl Lagerfeld. I love this one. Ooh, let me put this down because it comes with a sharpener. And I love the formula. And I can put the Gizu lip oil on top of this one. Face mist for my trip on the plane because my skin gets so dry. I think I'm going to bring my aloe vera spray as well. I'm going to bring my Rare Beauty under eye like concealer. It's an under eye brightener. I love the formula, it's so good. But I also bought like a new concealer from Hims. It's like more medium coverage, so it's going to be perfect for like dinner and for the night. If I need some coverage, I hope, fingers crossed, I'm not going to get any pimples. Next, I think I'm going to take my Rare Beauty bronzer as well. Why not? Mascara, eyeshadow palette, brushes, makeup removal wipes, my Rare Beauty and Only Murders in the Building lip oil and blush, some sponge. I'm going to take one, but I haven't opened it yet. Bringing some deodorant. This doesn't have much left because I bought it for my trip to Crete, but I got another one. I also got these sun creams. I got one for the body, my parents got those, but I bought these ones for my face. By the way, Marrakech, Morocco is in Africa. Haven't left. I mean, I've been to Asia once when I went to Antalya, Turkey, but most of the time I traveled in Europe, so it's going to be fun to travel another continent. Tripod, because I'm going to film some action videos. By the way, I'm using this mic. I hope you guys can hear me clearly. And it's really cloudy today and it's been raining. I actually got soaking wet when I was walking home from the gym. That's why I look like a mess. So excuse the lighting as well. I'm filming on my camera, by the way, which I'm obviously going to take. Here I got my Rare Beauty like makeup travel bag, I guess. There's so much space in here. I don't know if I'm going to put this in my suitcase because I can bring like a carry-on bag, like a 22 kg bag. This one is like 10 kg, I think, and a cabin bag. I don't know where I'm going to put this one yet. I'm going to put my makeup, skincare, essentials in here. In this I got some medicine, travel sickness medicine. Also a new pair of PJs. Look how cute is that. I got it from Primark. Really cute. I just bought this stuff from over there. I got this cover up because I'm going to go to the pool as well, obviously. Oh, some like high heel slippers to go with it, and the bikini obviously as well. Because you have to cover your shoulders and your décolletage in Marrakech. I bought some cover-ups and like scarves. This is from Pull & Bear. Look how cute it is. I already tried everything on. It looks really good. I love the sleeve. It looks really good with the dresses. I got this scarf because I got a black dress for the evenings. I don't really like the color, but it looks really good with the black dress. Got a purple scarf as well, again, to go to dinner in the evening with the black dress. This one, I love this so much. You can mix and match it with the other dresses that I got. It really goes well with the brown and other green and beige colors. And basically I'm just going to wrap my shoulders and my arms like that. It's really cute. These are actually like the first midi and long dresses that I own. I hate wearing long dresses, but these actually look okay. So this is the other dress that I got. It's like a sage green spaghetti top. I love the material. It's from Bershka. And this dress is also from Bershka. It's like a classic black long dress. I also got this top to go with those trousers I'm going to show in a second. It's sleeveless, but I'm going to wear this like shirt over it. It's going to be perfect for like a cover up when I'm going out. I can put it over the black top as well. Also, I got this from Bershka. Most thing is from Bershka, by the way. I love it so much. My favorite brand. I got these like linen mixed, I think it's linen or cotton trousers. So comfortable. It's black. I also got these stuffs. So this is going to be my airport outfit. I'm going to wear this top, like crop top. It's backless. You can tie like a cute bow at the back with these black trousers. It's going to be like a full black outfit, but I have black shoes as well. And I think I'm going to wear this Hoodrick sweater. It's a crop sweater because it's going to be freezing in the UK when we leave. We're going to leave around like 5 AM or something. It's always cold. So yeah, it's cute. I'm also going to bring a book. And oh, snacks. I almost forgot. I got my wallet here. A pinch of salt. I eat everything really salty. But I got this popcorn from Proper and Netflix. It's a collab. I love Netflix, by the way. It's called the Netflix and Chili Caramel Popcorn. I love the name. I bought some salt just in case if it's not salty enough for my liking. And I bought my favorite chocolates. These are the Kinder Buenos. Where did the other one go? The hazelnut and the white chocolate. I actually mixed it up with my parents' chocolate, but I need to grab that soon. And I also made a last minute list. I have to put in last minute on the day we're traveling. So I had toothbrush, hairbrush, eyelash curler, phone charger, camera, passport and adapter. But I think I got everything here. I'm definitely forgetting something, but I don't know what. I don't know. Let's start packing. So this is actually the hardest part of packing, which is actually putting everything in my suitcase because I'm a low-key and overpacker. Luckily I have 22 kg bags as well. I'm trying to fit everything in my suitcase. So I actually have my sneakers to go with my airport outfit. Obviously I'm not going to pack those away. I'm going to wear my sneakers on the plane. But I got these slippers for the beach. Going to put those here. My book goes in my other bag. That's my makeup, skincare. I'm going to cut everything, all the tags off my clothes. Annoying part. Let's see, let's start with the PJs. I don't know why, but I started this tradition. When I go on holiday, I buy a new pair of PJs. This is a size small. Look how big that looks. Oh my god. That looks like a large. What's wrong with that? I think you can tie the waist. That's good. Anyone else hate these tags as well? This is actually my third pack with me video, I think. Yeah, when I went to Malta, I didn't vlog because I haven't had a channel yet. I was really young. I vlogged the Antalya pack with me, Berlin pack with me, Crete pack with me. Yeah, this is actually the first pack with me video on this channel. I'm packing and prepping for holidays, and I love watching those kind of videos as well. So I'm not going to show my underwears and stuff like that, but wait, what's that? That's the thing. I think I'm going to put those this side of my bag. Okay, bikinis. 1, 2, 3. Just enjoy the time lapse, guys.
Stars up above me, stars in my eyes, fire below me, starting to rise. I'm my own captain, hanging on tight tonight. Pointless to try and turn back the time. I've never been this old in my life. Load up my spaceship, tear through the sky. I might leave regrets and wishes and hopes and bets, and wondering what would happen. Think I'll leave it all behind. I don't wanna wake up and let my dreams die. This moment I'm making mine. Don't tell me I'm wasting time. I'll show you what I'm made of and give my dreams life. I'll put it all on the line, just like I'm young, wild and
this is how my suitcase is looking like. Let's start with my makeup pouch. I love this bag, it's so handy and it fits so many things in here. On the top I have these Mediheal toner pads, some sponges, brushes, makeup remover wipes, not much. And let me zip it back up because I'm going to spill everything. Here I got some sun creams, deodorant, I have another one, face mist. I can't take liquids in this bag, I have to put them in a clear bag, but it's going to be so full. I'm taking this blush, and it's other way around. This is the blush and that is the lip oil thingy. Perfume, palettes, mascara, and in this compartment I have my hair ties, lip stuff like lip oils, concealers, lipstick, contour, all the necessary things. Let's put this on the side. Popcorn and snacks and all the things are going in my cabin bag. Let me show you guys the clothes. I got this clipper as well. So here I got my slippers, cover up, the shirt to cover up as well, socks, this tripod thingy, PJs, towel. Here I have my, I'm not going to unzip it, bikini workout clothes. And then let me open it up. In this part I got all of the scarves and cover-ups and the dresses at the bottom. I don't think I'm going to take these lipsticks because I don't really have the space anyway. I think I'm forgetting something, but I still have like 5 days to go over my list and think if I'm missing something. And that was it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this pack with me video, and make sure to subscribe because the next vlogs are going to be from Marrakech. I'm so excited. Going to see you guys next time. Bye. I'm like 90% ready. I got my suitcase. Oh, I need my bank card as well. And my phone. That's the most important thing. Don't forget your passport as well, guys. See you guys next time.